We think our sense of aliveness is restricted to and inside these bodies, limited and separated by these bodies. How funny, autonomously little robots controlling the whole of life's unfolding. How? We think we are controlling life's natural unfolding, the body's natural movements and perceptual experiences. How? Does the tree think that it is completely independent, cut off from life, responsible for its survival? Does the tree think it controls when the rains come to replenish it, or when the bushfires come to destroy it? Does it think it has any control over its survival? Does the dog think it is independent, that it is solely responsible for its existence? Does the dog think it chooses its owner? Does it think it chooses what dog food it prefers? What would that even look like? How would it make that choice in its brain? How would it produce saliva with one type of food, but not the other? How? Do you know how to move your body towards food? I mean, literally, how do you move your limbs? Do you control the firing of all of the billions of internal, intricate processes that are involved in one slight movement? How do you control the movement of your arm to put food in your mouth? How do you digest that food? Do you think you make choices as to whether you drink coffee or orange? How? How do you choose? How is a feeling of pleasure towards a preference produced? How? Do you think you make choices as to who you fall in love with, where you live, your career path? How? How do you make choices in your brain? How? How do you create feelings of love and comfort around that person and fear and hostility around another? Your brain is doing it all, naturally, by itself. You don't choose to be you, you just are. And it's beautifully perfect and could never be any other way. The end. And yet, paradoxically, such a beautiful gift, this grand, intricate illusion that the human has to feel separate and autonomous, to feel it has free will and choice, to seemingly write its own story. So be free and write it in peace now, content in the knowing that you could never get this wrong or right.